Carrot.
Carrot is good for skin and eyes.
Potato.
Potato gives you energy and keep you full.
Tomato.
Tomato keeps your heart and skin healthy.
Onion.
Onion helps cold and infections.
Cabbage.
Cabbage keeps your stomach clean and healthy.
Spinach.
Spinach makes your muscles strong.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower helps your brain grow.
Broccoli.
Broccoli keeps your bones and eyes strong.
Pea.
Peas gives you protein and fiber.
Corn.
Corn helps in digestion and gives energy.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin keeps your eyes sharp and skin smooth.
Cucumber.
Cucumber keeps your body cool and hydrated.
Radish.
Radish helps clean your tummy.
Beetroot.
Beetroot makes your blood strong and red.
Ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger is good for the brain and bones.
Eggplant.
Eggplants keep your heart and body strong.
Chili.
Chili helps fight germs.
Garlic.
Garlic fights colds and boosts immunity.
Ginger.
Ginger helps with cough and sore throat.
Turnip.
Turnip keeps your skin fresh and strong.
Zucchini.
Zucchini helps your eyes and digestion.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper gives lots of vitamin C for your skin.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato is good for your eyes and brain.
Celery.
Celery helps your body stay calm and relaxed.
Leek.
Leek keeps your heart and blood clean.
Mushroom.
Mushroom gives energy and keeps bones strong.
Asparagus.
Asparagus cleans your body from the inside.
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd keeps your blood clean.
Drumstick.
Drumstick makes bones and teeth strong.
Taro.
Taro gives energy and helps you grow.
Yam.
Yam helps your tummy and gives power.
Mint.
Mint refreshes your breath and cools your body.
Coriander.
Coriander helps your body stay clean and fresh.
Parsley.
Parsley keeps your heart and blood healthy.
Spring onion.
Spring onion helps in fighting germs.
Green beans.
Green beans keeps your heart and muscles strong.
Okra.
Okra is good for your tummy and eyes.
Fennel.
Fennel helps with digestion and gives a sweet smell.
Artichoke.
Artichoke keeps your liver healthy.
Kale.
Kale is super healthy for skin, bones, and eyes.
Mustard.
Mustard fights sickness and makes you strong.
Ridge gourd.
Ridge gourd keeps your stomach clean.
Bottle gourd.
Bottle gourd helps you stay cool and hydrated.
Snake gourd.
Snake gourd is good for your tummy and blood.
Ivy gourd.
Ivy gourd keeps sugar levels balanced.
Colocasia leaves.
Colocasia leaves make bones and blood strong.
Cluster beans.
Cluster beans is good for bones and digestion.
Raw banana.
Raw banana gives strength and helps with digestion.